And a special thanks and shout out to Community Ford of Mooresville, Indiana, for allowing me to come out and film today. Hello everyone. Today, let's take a detailed, in-depth walk-around look at this very nice and very well-equipped 1999 Mercury Sable GS. And this Sable is painted in light Prairie Tan clear coat metallic and comes with the Prairie Tan cloth interior. And Sables are front-wheel drive, and the GS is the entry-level trim. It comes equipped with the standard 3-liter overhead valve 12-valve Vulcan V6 engine. It creates 145 horsepower at 5,250 RPM, 170 pound-feet of torque at 3,250 RPM. As you can see in this video, the engine is actually very clean and very well maintained. This is a one-owner car, and this engine is mated to the 4-speed AX4N automatic transmission. The 1996 model year for the Taurus and Sable marked the first drastic full redesign of the twins. While Ford anticipated the same success as the first-generation Sable, the controversial oval theme was not well received by either the press or the public. For the Sable, the 1996 through 1999 models remained relatively unchanged through their life, with the 1999 model year being the last for the oval design language for a more conservative design. And steering is power assisted. The wheels on this Sable are the 15-inch black painted steel wheels with silver hubcap covers. The tires are Michelin Harmony 205/65 R15s. Brakes are ventilated disc up front with drum brakes in the rear and feature ABS. Wagons had the four-wheel disc brakes. Unveiled in 1995 at Cobo Hall during the North American International Auto Show, the third-generation Taurus and Sable had a lot of attention from both press and consumers, and would become some of the most anticipated new cars for 1996. While the Taurus would be criticized for its design, the more conservatively styled Sable would be praised and would be selected for Automobile Magazine 1996 Design of the Year award. 1999 would be the last year of the oval design language, and for the 2000 model year, a new design was released. While the mechanical components as well as the doors were carryover, the replacement was an all-new design. Alright, let's take a look inside. As you will see, the inside of this Sable is very, very nicely maintained. Nice soft door trim. The Mercury's had the burl wood accents. And of course, we have power heated mirrors, power windows, and power door locks. This vehicle does feature a 6-way power seat with adjustable lumbar support. The lever is to adjust the seat back. Nice supportive seats, soft plush cloth accent or upholstery, height adjustable head restraints, and height adjustable seat belts. It's always nice to see cars of this age maintained in such a nice way. On the dash you do have your headlamp control, your instrument panel dim, and down below you have your trunk release as well as your emergency brake release. All the carpeting is in very nice condition as well. Alright, let's pan through the interior and show a little more details. As you can see, nice fluid assisted power steering. No noise from the power steering pump. Steering wheel controls are very minimal, it's just cruise controls. On and off on the left and the rest of the controls on the right. Satin silver bezels around the gauges differentiated the Sable from the Taurus, but the gauges were all the same. Moving over the top of the dash, as you can see, it's in very nice shape. It does feature an anti-reflective surface to keep the glare down. On the top of the dash, you do have your twin air vents, and of course you have the integrated control panel, which featured the radio and climate controls all in one oval housing. All the controls are easy to use and within easy reach. Down below the integrated control panel, you do have your ashtray with a lighter. This car has never been smoked in, however. And of course, you do have a bench seat. However, the armrest will fold up. And then you can fold the seat bottom cushion out to reveal a consolette. And then, of course, you put your armrest down. You've got 3 cup holders, storage trays. You've also got a coin holder. And down below you have another storage tray. The little pouch is where the lap belt for the front seat goes. Overhead you just have a standard manually dimming mirror. Sun visors feature non-illuminated vanity mirrors. They do not slide. You've also got overhead assist handles. Alright, let's take a look at the rear seat. Nice wide opening doors. The door trim treatment is the same as the front. Power window switch. Burl wood accents. And of course the rear seat does seat 3 across. It is a fixed bench seat. It does have shoulder belts for all passenger seating areas. However, mostly standard is a lap belt for the center passenger, but you can attach the lap belt to the webbing that pulls out of the center. Stereo speakers in the rear shelf. Nice amount of headroom. You've also got overhead assist handles. There are no rear passenger air vents in this vehicle. There is, of course, a ashtray, however. And no seat bag mat pockets as well. Opening the trunk is easy, just pressing the trunk release button below the driver's side knee bolster. The trunk does swing up all the way. And as you can see here, it is a nice wide opening trunk lid with a low lift over height. I was unable to find cargo dimensions, but I imagine it's around 17 cubic feet of cargo capacity. It is a nice load flat floor, it's fully lined and carpeted. Underneath the mat, you do have a compact spare tire. It does feature jack and tools. Alright, and this does conclude our in-depth walk-around look at this very nice 1999 Mercury Sable GS. We hope the review was informative, and as always, thanks for watching.